নচলিব নচলিব
কথা বন্ধ করো
বন্ধ করো বন্ধ করো
কথা বন্ধ করো
বন্ধ করো বন্ধ করো
প্রকৃতি ধ্বংস করা বন্ধ করো
ডাঙৰ মানুহ এনেই গম পাব যে পটল কৰা মানে নচলিব।
বন্ধ করো বন্ধ করো নালাগে নালাগে।
See, trees are so vital in this city like Guwahati. Here we have abundance of trees earlier. Nowadays, deforestation has cropped up. All the hillocks, all the river system have been destructed because due to inundation of soil erosion. Due to soil erosion, these rivers have become shallow and now they are dying. That is why we need the trees. We need trees. The trees protect soil. Trees protect the environment. Trees protect our oxygen level. So we are always encouraging forestation, not deforestation. At any cost, trees should not be felled down. Trees should not be felled down for development purpose. We always request government, please see for alternative, look for alternative. There are so many alternatives nowadays. This during this advancement of technology, we need not fell the trees. We can save them. That is why we always tell, save trees, save our river system, save our Barolu River.
ধ্বংস করো বন্ধ করো বন্ধ করো বন্ধ করো ইনকলাব জিন্দাবাদ 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 বিজেপি সরকার হুঁশিয়ার
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী দাদাগিরি নচলিব
নচলিব।
We are from Save Bhorolu. We are fighting for saving Bhorolu, Bahini and Mora Bhorolu, which was at a time after before 20 years or two decades ago, it was a very flowing Bhorolu. Now it is now nothing but a nola or the drain. In the same time, that very if plants there will be no Bhorolu will not flow if there is no plant. There is direct relations with plant and the river. Now we have learned from different sources that government is going to construct an overbridge here by cutting different oldest trees. We know that one tree trap average 25 kilogram of carbon dioxide every year. If a tree of 100 years, how many volume of carbon dioxide will trap? If that type of trees are cut, then what will be the effect in the nature, in the temperature? Now we have learned, we have seen that last season up to 19th September, the temperature of Guwahati goes up to 43 degree high, which is a very record. Why? Due to devastation, due to cutting of trees. Now we appeal government that you go for development without hampering the nature. This is our message. That is why we have come here, for giving a message to the government that you go without hampering nature, without hampering the people, without hampering our next generation.
কথা বন্ধ করো
বন্ধ করো বন্ধ করো
স্বেচ্ছাসেবী এখন নচলিব
নচলিব নচলিব
বিশ্বাসনা স্বেচ্ছাসেবী এখন নচলিব
নচলিব নচলিব
কথা বন্ধ করো
বন্ধ করো বন্ধ করো সুরক্ষা দিয়ক সুরক্ষা দিয়ক
बात तो ऐसी है, ये जो नदी है आप सामने बह रही है वो हमारी जैसे माता की जैसे है। एक वक्त हुआ करता था ये नदी बहुत ही साफ हो गया था, लेकिन आजकल के डेवलपमेंट की वजह से बहुत ही ज़्यादा खराब हो चुकी है और यहाँ तक कि पेड़ पौधे भी लगभग ख़त्म ही हो चुकी है। उसका ध्यान रखते भी भारत सरकार या फिर असम सरकार सरकार को ये याद रखना चाहिए कि हमारे लिए पेड़ पौधे कितनी ज़रूरत है। इसलिए हमें फ्लाईओवर बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए, पेड़ पौधे बचाना चाहिए। जहाँ मतलब पेड़ पौधे की ज़रूरत होती है ना, वहाँ पर उगाइए।
लेकिन डेवलपमेंट तो चाहिए कि
हाँ, डेवलपमेंट चाहिए, जहाँ चाहिए ना, वहाँ ज़रूरत होती है ना, वहाँ कीजिए। यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी तो है ना, लेकिन फ्लाईओवर से कितना ही कुछ, ऑलरेडी गुवाहाटी में बहुत ही फ्लाईओवर हो चुका है। सो फिर मुझे नहीं लगता कि फ्लाईओवर और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत हो सकती है, क्योंकि फ्लाईओवर से भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है हमारे पेड़ पौधे, हमारी नदियाँ। क्योंकि आजकल के मतलब ज़माना को देख के ऐसा लगता है कि अगली पीढ़ी को मतलब ये पेड़ पौधे, ये नदियाँ मिलेगी या फिर नहीं मिलेगी। सो इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी।
Well, we gathered here today because we know that Guwahati is on its way to becoming a smart city, and we are very happy about that. But at what cost? We want a sustainable growth. We want our trees. We don't want destruction of nature, because everyone knows now that the environment is so important, and without trees, without the birds, without the wildlife that we have, we will not survive. It is very important that we are aware and we do not cut the trees indiscriminately. We understand that certain amount has to be done if a road has to go through here, if we need a flyover here. Some amount has to be cut, but it must be replaced by growing trees elsewhere, and cut as less as possible. We should look at the possibilities. The government should give us a master plan. It should be transparent. It's a democracy, so citizens have a right to know what is coming up. None of us are aware. We are suddenly told that, oh, these trees will be cut, there will be a flyover. And therefore we protest. And then we hear the other side, that yes, we do need a flyover because there's traffic jam, it is very, very bad. But if they give us a master plan and they take public opinion and they discuss all these matters beforehand, then we do not need to do all this. This is, we hear of it and we all come and say, no, please don't cut the trees. But we need to sit down and discuss, and then there is no need of such protests.
So that is why you protest here.
Yes, we come here because we feel that if we do not protest, there will be indiscriminate cutting of trees and destruction of nature.
soil erosion